Alright guys, so we're taking the 2020 Chevy Silverado to the other shop, the 955 location, to take some videos and pictures. Right now it's got the 6-inch Vertex Coil Over kit with adjustable reservoirs. It's supposed to improve the ride quality, and overall it's held up its reviews. None of the quality has been compromised. So we are here entering the 955 location. It's in the works. It should be ready to go by the first week of February.
Alright guys, this is Frankie here at CID Custom. We have a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 and I'm just going to go over a brief overview of what all that we did to it. So here we've got the 6-inch coilover kit with the adjustable reservoirs. This is the Vertex line from Rough Country. Great kit, retains the ride quality very well. Very impressed by it. Also here we have the Toyo-Open Country all-terrain tires. These are a size 35 by 12.5. This is the extreme tread. Also we put on semi-gloss fuel wheels. This is the Rebel line, and we also kept the chrome center cap accent as well as the chrome lug nuts. Also here you guys can see that we installed the AMP Research electric steps. Very nice with the purple LED lights. Very eye-catching. Also over here, we have the undercover Ultraflex. Has the carpeting inside, so very nice finish, and it's all flush to the rails. We'll take a couple more clips to show how it looks closed and open, and you guys also can see here that this has got the spray-on bed liner.